Hello students, today we are going to learn about factorization. We have already learnt about the factors of number in earlier classes. We know how to find out the factors of number. Then also we'll see one small example. Suppose I am writing here 6 and I have to find out the factors of 6. So we can say that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 3s are 6, so 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So if we have to write the factors of 12, so we can say that 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Same way we can say that 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. Here 3 4s are 12, so 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Same way 2 and 6, 2 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. So here we can say that 2 and 3 are factors of 6 and 6 is a product of 2 and 3. The same way 3 and 4 are factors of 12 and 12 is product of 3 and 4. Same way 12 is product of 2 and 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Same way we also can find out factors of algebraic expressions also. Let's take one example. Here I have taken two expressions, that is x minus y and x plus y. If we will multiply these two expressions, we will get x square minus y square. So we can say that x minus y and x plus y are factors of x square minus y square, and x square minus y square is product of x minus y and x plus y. We can say that if an algebraic expression is written as the product of numbers or algebraic expressions, then each of these numbers and expressions are called factors of the given algebraic expression. The algebraic expression is called product of these factors. The process of writing a given algebraic expression as the product of two or more factors is called factorization. Today we will learn how to factorize the algebraic expressions by taking out common factors. Let's take one example. Here 22x square plus 33y square is given. This is the algebraic expression and we have to factorize it by taking out the common factors. So you can see here there are two terms, 22x square and 33y square. So the first step is you have to write the prime factors of each terms individually. So here we will write prime factors of 22x square. So we already know that prime factors of 22 are 2 and 11. And the same we will write here x into x. We can write x square directly also. Here 33y square. So we know the prime factors of 33, that is 3 multiplied by 11, and here we will write y into y. So in these prime factors of both the terms, we can find that 11 is a common factor. So what we will do, we will write 11 as common factor and the remaining factors will write in the bracket. Remaining factors will write in the bracket. So you can see here 11 is already written out of the bracket. So 2 and x into x. So we'll write 2x square. 2x square is remaining factor. Now in this 33y square, 11 is already outside written as a common factor. So sign will put first, that is plus sign, and here we will write 3y square. So 11 is a common factor and the remaining factors are 2x square plus 3y square. Let's take one more example. Here also there are two terms in this algebraic expression, minus 81x square y and minus 9x. So again we will write the prime factors of each term individually. So minus 81x square y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here because it is minus 81, so we will take minus only one time. So minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 81, and here x into y. Same we will write the prime factors of minus 9x also. So minus 3 multiplied by 3 and here x. Now we have written the prime factors of both the terms, so we can find that the common factors, that is minus 3 and minus 3 here. So we'll take minus 3 as common factor. Again 3, 3 and this x. So common factor is minus 3 multiplied by 3, that is minus 9, and minus 9x is common factor. So we'll write minus 9x out of the bracket, and inside the bracket whichever remaining factors are there, that we'll write in the bracket, that is 3 3s are 9, and x is already taken out as a common factor, so remaining x will write, and here we'll write y, and here the full 9x, the whole 9x has been taken out, so nothing has been left, so we'll write 1. But before that we will understand that minus sign has already taken it out, so here we will write the plus sign, and here plus 1 will write. Let's take one more example. Here we can see 18a square b square minus 24a square b plus 30ab square. So what we will do first, we will write the prime factors of each term individually. So here we will take first 18a square b square. So we will write the prime factors of 18, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and same way we'll write the factors of a square. So a multiplied by a, and same way b multiplied by b. Now we'll write the prime factors of 24a square b. So prime factors of 24 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. And here we'll write the factors of a square, that is a multiplied by a, and here we'll write the b. And the third one, that is 30ab square. So we'll write the prime factors of 30, that is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 multiplied by a multiplied by b into b. So here we can see if we have to find out the common factors. So 2 is there in 18a square b square, and 2 24 a square b, and 2 in 30ab square, and one more common factor is there, that is 3 numerical common factor, and here also 3. So common factors (2) multiplied by 3, and here if we can see a is there as a common factor, so we'll write a first, and then b is only one time, so we'll write b. So common factors are 2 3s are 6 a b. So we'll write 6ab outside of the bracket, and remaining prime factors we'll write in the bracket. So 2 3s are 6 has taken it out as a common factor. So we'll write 3ab. Here 3 is remaining, a is remaining and b is remaining. So we'll write 3ab. We'll write the sign as it is given in the question, that is minus. And here 2 and 3 and a and b have been taken out as common factors. So remaining are 2 into 2, that is 4. And only a is remaining here. So we'll write 4a. And again we'll put the sign as it is given in the question, plus. So here 2 and 3 has been taken out as a common. So 5 is remaining. So we'll write 5. And here b is remaining. We'll write b. So common factor is 6ab and the remaining factors are in the bracket 3ab minus 4a plus 5b.